This field of golden flowers where we spend sunny hours. I'm strolling along thinking of you, no one but you. I go to four-leaf clover, my lonesome days are all over. I talk about you all the day through. I just keep telling the birds, telling the bees, telling the flowers, telling the trees how I love you. Indeed I do, I'm telling the moon, telling the sun, telling the stars, telling each one how I love you. I feel so happy that I show it. I want the whole wide world to know it. Did you know, telling the fall, the little old brook, telling them all how I love I feel so happy that I know it. I want the whole wide world to know it. Shady Ona, down to the fall, a little old road, telling them all how I love you. Here where we used to wander, I sit alone and ponder, daydreaming of you all of the time. If you don't think I love you, just ask the stars above you, for since you told me that you are mine, I just keep telling the birds, telling the bees, telling the flowers, telling the trees how I love you. Indeed I do, I'm telling the moon, telling the sun, telling the stars, telling each one how I love you. I feel so happy that I show it. I want the whole wide world to know it. Did you know that of that hole, a little old brook, telling them all how I love you. Don't it look happy? That's because I'm showing.